Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest products on the market.
Today, we're diving into the world of home improvement with what we believe is the best paint roller available, the Bates Paint Roller Set.
This comprehensive 11-piece kit has everything you need to tackle any painting project with ease.
From the sturdy tray to the high-quality brushes and rollers. Let's take a closer look at what makes this set stand out from the rest. First off, let's talk about quality. The Bates Paint Roller Set is designed to be long-lasting and easy to clean, ensuring that you can tackle multiple projects without worrying about wear and tear.
The synthetic filaments in the paintbrushes are specifically engineered to hold more paint, saving you time and delivering a superior finish every time. But it's not just about durability. This set is also incredibly affordable. Don't waste your money on flimsy paint trays that won't last past one project.
With the Bates Paint Roller Set, you're getting exceptional value for your money without compromising on quality. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a beginner DIY enthusiast, the Bates Paint Roller Set is designed for anyone to use. The ergonomic design of the brushes and rollers ensures a comfortable grip, while the easy-to-clean materials make post-project cleanup a breeze. But don't just take my word for it. Let's hear what some satisfied customers have to say about their experience with the Bates Paint Roller Set. As you can see, customers love the value and quality of this set, making it a must-have for any painting project. So there you have it, folks. If you're in the market for the best paint roller, look no further than the Bates Paint Roller Set. With its exceptional quality, affordability, and user-friendly design, it's truly a game-changer for any DIY enthusiast or professional painter. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and we'll see you next time.